32.5 seconds for sample of 1.7 centimeter peak, which is the following and the position of double drainage. So double drainage siya kung double bottom. How long will the corresponding layer nature require to reach the same degree of consolidation? If so the same degree of consolidation means U is equal 60% level. If it is 4.7 peak and drain one side only. Same condition niya po. Diretso na lang siya. Formula. Okay, time 1. Laboratory. Kailan tayo sa laboratory? 32.5 seconds. Of course, time factor when you cut. And then, that is equal to, okay, double drainage, it will be divided per second. And ang height sample, the laboratory is 1.27 centimeters. So divide by 2. 1.27 centimeter divided by 2. And square na siya. All over, pinahide factor. 4.57 meter. At para mas centimeter, times 100, 457 centimeter, then square natin. Okay, ang unit is seconds. Then, balik na sa nato, 3,600 seconds, 1 hour, 24 hours, 1 day. So, pila? Pila time? 184.8 days or 185 days.